Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to install Mahapps.metro theme into your WPF application. First you need to create a new project. I already did this. Next you need to right click on the projects folder and go to manage and you get packages. Go to browse and search for Mahapps.metro. This is the package that we want. Click on install. This package will install two things, controls ex and mahapps.metro. You can see them added to the references in our project here, controls ex and mahapps.metro. Next, let's run this application. As you can see, it's still the normal WPF window. So how we can import the new theme? We can do this by first adding the namespace to our project, and then we can add the styles from application.xaml. Go to the official website, guides, styles, and you can find the styles here. We copy the resource dictionary and paste it here. Now the base color is cobalt and the theme is the base light. You can choose between base light and dark theme and variety of accents for the project. Next, we go to the main window. We change the Windows control to the controls metro window. And now you are good to go. Let's run this application. As you can see now, it's a metro window style.